It's the WP Minute. This is Kathy Zant, and I'm filling in for Matt. This episode is brought to you by Easy Support Videos. Support your WordPress users by embedding videos and screencasts right inside the WordPress admin. Learn more at easysupportvideos.com. You know the drill. Everything I mention here will be linked up in the newsletter and the blog post. Check out thewpminute.com for the links. News time. If you thought the WordPress acquisition train was safely tucked away at the station, think again, it's full steam ahead. Breaking news announced earlier this morning, Awesome Motive has acquired one of not the most highly regarded brands in WordPress, Sandhills Development, widely known for easy digital downloads. Pippin Williamson penned an excellent summary of the events, sharing what led him to the decision. Every business owner knows or will eventually learn that there are three possible fates for their business. 1, it will one day be passed on to someone else, perhaps through family inheritance. 2, it will slowly or rapidly decline and at some point be shut down entirely. Or 3, it will be sold to a new owner for one reason or another. If you're a business owner, his post is absolutely worth the time. Liquid Web announces another top-tier brand is being added to their stack, one of the most popular LMS plugins for WordPress, LearnDash. LearnDash will join the Liquid Web family under the stellar WP brand, which is the umbrella for our premium WordPress software solutions and includes well-known and respected WordPress leaders such as iThemes, the Events Calendar, GiveWP, Restrict Content Pro, Iconic, and Cadence WP. You can learn more about how the acquisition went down in our interview with Justin Ferriman and Chris Lemma. Highlights include how long the process took, what you should do if you want to get acquired, speculation on WooCommerce and the e-commerce space. Speaking of WooCommerce, they've announced the acquisition of extension maker Somewhere Warm, who currently has 7 products available in the marketplace. This is a huge opportunity for us to help shape the future of WooCommerce, having a clearer view of the path ahead, more resources than ever before, and the support of like-minded people. Delicious Brains did a stealth acquisition of the ACF Blocks plugin, picking it up from the folks at Extendify. Extendify acquired Editor's Kit earlier this year and the Redux framework last year. The Fantasy League of WordPress. We're thinking about starting a Fantasy League of WordPress business and all-star community members with all of this news. Carol Olinger is now the social media manager at XWP. Chris Lemma changed his title to GM of LearnDash. Richard Tabor joins the Extendify team. Brian Gardner is back at WP Engine as Principal Developer Advocate. And Kathy Zant, she sounds familiar, joins the team at Ninja Forms to lead content marketing. From the grab bag, check out the new Tove theme by Anders Noren. You must have Gutenberg installed to activate and for full site editing features. Fabian Kagi rebuilt his site using a block-based theme. Developers pay close attention to this article. We're excited to be media partners for the upcoming WordCamp US kicking off on October 1st. Go grab your free virtual tickets today. Vito Pellig and Andrew Palmer announced Bertha.ai, the fastest way to create content for your WordPress website. Josepha Hayden shares an update to WordPress 5.9 in the latest episode of WP Briefing. Here's a clip.
Take you through a quick look at the final WordPress release of 2021. It will be WordPress 5.9, and there will be a ton of things in it, including a fresh new default theme. As of the time of this recording, I've seen the early concepts for the theme, and I love them. Hopefully by the time this podcast is published, the post that showcases the look and feel will also be up on make.wordpress.org/design.
That's it for this week's weekly dose of WordPress news in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, Kathy, for reading the news for us today. Don't forget to join the membership at the WP Minute by going to buymeacoffee.com/MattReport if you want to support the show and the efforts that we have going on here with all of the guest contributions, our executive producers, and everything happening around the news. Join our private Discord server and be part of the news community at buymeacoffee.com/MattReport. Some folks to thank this week: Bob Dunn, Lisa Sabin-Wilson, Brad Williams for joining the membership as producers to help contribute to the news. If you want your hand in the weekly news, buymeacoffee.com/MattReport. Either buy me a coffee to support the show or join the membership for $79 for the year. I also have an interview with Pippin Williamson, who announced this morning that Sandhills Development was acquired by Awesome Motive over on the Matt Report. That'll be linked up in the show notes. Check that out if you want to hear the conversation with Pippin, who ran one of the most respected WordPress businesses in the space for the last decade. Check it out at mattreport.com. Okay, don't forget to share this episode with others, thewpminute.com. Join the mailing list. We'll see you in the next episode.